Hi, my name is Pedro Medina. I'm the founder and chief data farmer of Haystack Data Solutions. We're a minority-owned data science and data engineering firm that works exclusively in the food and ag space. We're here in Richfield, Minnesota at the Richfield Farmers Market. And Minnesota happens to have one of the largest concentration of Fortune 500 food and ag companies such as General Mills, Cargill, Land O'Lakes, and others. But we work exclusively with small and medium-sized food producers, food processors, and food distributors, helping them leverage their own data for growth. We do that using a variety of tools, but we work with a number of open source, aka free, drag and drop data science platforms such as the KNIME Analytics Platforms that help these companies move away from an over-reliance on spreadsheets and paper. We're very excited to participate in the FDA traceability challenge, and we believe that NoCode is the right way to go for food traceability and food safety. This is an example of a no-code solution developed in the KNIME Analytics Platform. KNIME is an open source drag and drop data science platform that allows food and ag companies to develop their own traceability solutions without having to write a single line of code. In this scenario, we are looking at a fictional grain miller that has received numerous consumer complaints of foreign objects in their flour. And this trace recall workflow will help track those products from lot number all the way on back to the initial rail cars that unloaded that wheat at the mill. We are reading in these complaints in the form of an Excel spreadsheet, but this could be any input data source, such as a database, a cloud-based platform, or a CRM. And we're filtering out those complaints that are food safety related, tying them back to the internal processing steps where that wheat was processed, such as elevator bins, tempering bins, and of course, rail car unload bins. And then once that data is pulled in, we're able to process and clean that data, and then finally output that data into a final output file that contains all the traceability details needed. This could be any output source, another database or a cloud-based platform for that matter. Another great feature of this platform is that though it is code-free, it is also code-friendly. So we see an example of that here where we're bringing in custom R code from the open source statistical programming language to connect to the tidy USDA package. We're doing this in order to pull in real time all of the acres and bushels of wheat that were produced in the states where the wheat originated from, and then visualizing that data in the form of a bar chart. We believe that open source drag and drop platforms like this are a great solution for tech-enabled traceability so that food and ag companies of all sizes can develop their own solutions without having to write a single line of code or pay a penny for that matter. And in order to run this workflow that would used to take our clients hours and sometimes even days to do internal trace recalls, we've gotten it down to a matter of minutes. And all you need to do in order to do that is just press play. And we see how quickly the indicator lights went from yellow to green, indicating that the nodes were completed. And we see the output file ran successfully and the code ran successfully and the visualization ran successfully as well. At Haystack Data Solutions, we're proud to be a purpose-driven company in service to the food and ag industry. Our mission, vision, and core values set high standards and drive our passion to make a difference. Our mission is to help food and ag companies realize the power, potential, and value of data by developing effective solutions that bring growth to their bottom line, help feed the world, combat climate change, and expand opportunities for women and data scientists of color. Our vision is to become the most trusted data solutions partner, inspiring and informing the transformation of the food and ag industry.